2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Hey, good evening. What's up, everybody, guys? I am back with my new video. Yes, guys, you are watching Cheyenne Tech, and here you can see on the screen it's a PlayStation PS4 controller. You can see DualShock4 controller. Sorry for the delay because I was very busy during these days and also last days because I was doing something. So I am back with the unboxing of this third-party controller. It's actually not the controller as you can see a original controller, but it's a third-party controller that I have purchased it from AliExpress. It's a silver color controller, and it's a very not that very cheap, but it's a very good controller that you can see in a good price. You can also buy this, purchase this. I will put the purchasing link in the description. So I'm gonna the reason of purchasing this controller that I can see and test this controller with my PS4 Slim. I will also show you my PS4 Slim that this controller is compatible definitely and works fine, or I will gonna test this and it will definitely works fine. You can see it's Sony PlayStation DualShock wireless controller for PS4, PS4 Pro, and also for Slim. And this side we have the same thing. On the back side you will see some of specifications and also written more of the things. Here you will see English, here you will see German language, France language, Netherlands language, and Italian language. So the interface of the box is from the back side is like this. If I rotate the box here, you can see more further information over this controller or third-party controller, and I'm gonna unbox this now. Here we have a document, guys. Here we have the controller. Alright, guys, you can see the controller from the back side. It's definitely identical controller. Actually, I don't have original controller for you to show you that this controller with same as the PS4 controller. You can see also we have a charging cable. I put this controller on a charge and you can see it's charging definitely identical. Here I have also another controller. It's also third-party controller. You can also use this controller or game with this controller for PS4 Pro and also PS4 Slim, and it's also the same charging points. Here also blinks the same, but when I play sometimes I feel lag. And to aiming this controller, you can see also the controllers side by side. On the screen, both controllers are third-party controllers. We'll click this button, press this button. You can see that this is the controller. I'm gonna check it. I told you I purchased it from AliExpress and it's a third-party controller. Last night I checked it, I tested it. It works very fine, great, without any problems. Also vibration motor, buttons, gears. All right. Now we'll go to enter in my account. Here is my account. All right. All right. Now I will check this. Alright, guys, now you can see closely the controller. Bring near to the camera and you can see the controller. It's a silver controller that I have purchased it. Also you can see the mic here, EXT, and you can also see from the back side. This is the back side from this controller. You can also see here R1, R2 and L1, L2, and here is the charging port, as you can see on the screen, guys. If I rotate to the front side, here you can see the gamepad and these navigation buttons as they navigate while gaming, and you can see also these buttons, gears. I have played last night this game and works everything definitely fine, but I will show you the demo that you can see the controller works fine, and then you can purchase it if you like this controller and also this video. Alright guys, you can see the controller here as I show you. You can see on the screen story. Alright, now I will show you clearly on the screen, as you can see. Works fine. Alright, left, right, up or forward or back. Now we will go for here, down, up, rotate, right, here, alright, and here we will see R2, R1, R1, R2. This is for the aim, L1, L2. Alright, so now I'll show you more. Let's go further. Alright guys, you have seen the demo play here. I played for you guys with this controller. I hope you like the controller. I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. I will put down the purchasing link in the description. If you want to buy, you can buy. It's a silver color controller, almost $20 to $25, something like this. And I hope you will also enjoy the video. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.